Hey guys, so 1 week ago I placed my car at the garage because I wanted to give it a full makeover and paint it in a brand new color. So just yesterday the manager of the garage called me and updated me that the car is ready. So right now I'm getting ready and we're gonna pick it up. And you can see for my clothes I matched my color to the new color of Sue. You can even see it in my nails. And yeah, now we're gonna see how it turned out. I even match Lana bandana. So we're all in purple vibes today. Hey guys, so here is my Sue before and wait until you see it after.
There's a place that I call home, where the oak trees grow, where the moonlight glows, but I wish that I was...
Okay, so I'm here in Karmiel. I took a bus and I'm on my way to collect my car. So exciting.
Night. She's got a sweet personality, smiling from inside the window screen.
Hey guys, and we're here, it's right there.
Just a stranger, but I'll take it.
Hey! Oh my god! Wow! Hey guys! Here is my baby! This is inside the oven. That is where they color it, so it stay all clean. And look how beautiful it is!
To the other side of town, life gets so...
Okay guys, I just got Sue back and it's so beautiful. I feel like I'm driving a brand new car. They did such a good work. It's gorgeous. I can still smell the fresh paint smell, and they even did some wax on the inside to clean it. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm gonna show you again on the outside. It looks like a candy to the eye, and I hope everyone who see it, it's gonna bring a smile to their face as it brings to mine. I'm so happy. I wanted to give this to myself as a birthday present for quite a while, and I'm so glad that now we're in December. Yeah, I got to surprise myself. Thank you. Yeah, you can comment below which color is your favorite, and if you could, like, which color you'd be like your dream color for your car. For me, it's definitely purple, and I'm so glad I achieved it. And yeah, okay, bye for now. Look, Lana bandana matches the car. זה טעים? Lana eating cornflakes. Was it good?
תודה שאת מצלמת אותה.
ממש. Lana! וואו! רוצי, לאנה. תראה? כן, תגידי להם, לאנה.